Well guys, guess what I got? I got the Epsilon front lip for the BRZ, and let's go ahead and install it. Time to go pick up the new front lip. In case you guys actually didn't know, but I worked for Epsilon for, I'll say maybe like 6 to 7 months. And it was kind of just by coincidence. I was on Facebook. One of my friends I met through BRZs, because he had a GR86, just tagged me that Adam was hiring, and I kind of just DM'd him. Then I believe it was like 6 to 7 months. Then after that, I ended up actually quitting just because I wanted to try, I'll say, because I had some personal stuff come up, and I also was doing pretty good with the day trading where I wanted to do it more, I'll say, full time, but also working at GNC part time. So, you know, I still had, like, you could say a regular job for my like day-to-day bills. And yeah, that's how it's been the last 6 months. Dang, so that means it's almost like a year. Wow, time really does fly. But I remember taking this path all the time, going to work. I'll take this road every day to the shop, and it was always a little fun drive just because you could kind of step on it. It's like, I believe Adam's not going to be here today, so I wanted to put him in the video, kind of do a little shout out, but I believe he's probably doing something else. He's a very busy guy. But I believe one of his workers should be here to give me the wing. There's always a lot of cars. I really like that M2 right there. That one looks really nice. Miata, and then we got Carl's and Ryland's car right here. So let's go inside. You're actually able to fold these, but I'm not gonna fold it. I'm just gonna make it easier myself and just put the back seats down. Okay. This is how the Epsilon front lip looks like. Polyurethane, but it has this gloss kind of black texture. And one thing I like about it, it fits to the OEM mounting points, and they give you a little bit of hardware included. Go ahead and install it. One thing I am gonna do is probably maybe put some double-sided tape right here in the corners. I didn't do that with my STI one, but I feel like I should do it with this one. As you guys can see, the Epsilon lip is installed. Originally, I was going to replace my STI lip, the one that got destroyed in Tahoe by a giant iceberg. Originally, I was going to replace it with the polyurethane one that was going to actually survive any travels I do. And I bought these ahead of myself, thinking I was going to do the polyurethane one, but instead I opted and went with the Epsilon one. I ended up spending some money on this, so I kind of still want to repurpose them and use them. So I'm thinking, why not install it on this and kind of see how it goes. The car is a little bit low, so I am using a jack to jack it up. We're going to go ahead and just install this. It's double-sided tape, and if you want to use some self-tappers, you could use that, which I am going to use because I'm pretty sure if I just leave it with double-sided tape, it's going to rip off the first drive I leave. So I'm going to figure out how I want to get it mounted. The Epsilon one has this kind of canard looking thing that goes like this. So I'll probably do it from down here where it ends right here, and then it kind of just goes around. And I feel like this is still a clean look, and it actually still flows with the front lip and the front bumper. So let's go ahead and do that. Tools you're going to need is a little power tool. I think nowadays power tools have gotten very inexpensive, and you could get a whole set. And I ended up buying this thing. This thing is really handy. It's a right angle screwdriver, and instead of really having to jack up the car, if your car is not too low, maybe like something like this, instead of jacking it up or dealing with all that, you can just hook it on to this, and then it'll just drill right through. Especially on a low car like this, where it's very difficult to get this under there. As you can see, you would have to jack it up a lot higher. Pop it out. It is going to be very sticky, so try to make sure there's no debris or anything that falls in there. And then remember, Make sure the area is clean. And it looks like I already scraped the front of that bumper, so not a good sign. So we're gonna go ahead and place it right here, wherever you want it. I'm gonna probably do it about here so I can end perfectly. I just wanted to do one quick little video of how the car looks with the front lip. As you guys can tell, those little red accents did not survive. 2 to 3 days later, I came up to Skyline where I'm at right now. This was like about a week ago, and when I left, one of them I only put 2 screws on because I dropped the third one. That one ended up just getting ripped off, so I was driving around for like a couple days with only one red accent, and I ended up removing it, and then I ordered another one. So right now I'm just waiting for the other ones to come in. So this is how the car looks like right now with the regular Epsilon lip without the STI extension pieces. And honestly, I'm starting to like it a little bit more. I feel like with the red accents, I feel like it's a little too much. I like being a little bit more subtle. And to the keen viewers, from right here, you can't really tell what's in the rear. But if I go a little bit to the left, right here from this angle, this is all I'm going to show you guys. There might be something going on back there that it's carbon fiber, and I had to make a couple holes in the trunk to install. But that's for a different video, guys. So it's a little bit of a teaser, but I'm not going to show you guys just yet. Or you know what? Why don't we just get some drone shots right now? Guys, that's all I'm gonna show you guys. It's just the drone shots, the little bit cinematography video right there. I was gonna end the video, but I started driving over here because I saw a R34 GTR. Look at this view, guys. This is a thumbnail picture. This is a new wallpaper picture right here. I'm a big fan of this Epsilon front lip. It just ties it together, and it's like an OEM plus look. That's why with the little red accent pieces, it kind of gives me like a STI tribute style. Well, hopefully you guys like the drone shot, guys. But other than that, this video's over. And if you guys like the auto folding mirror feature, once again, you guys could do that yourselves. Just getting the JDM mirrors assemblies and buying the plug and play harness from me. Links down below if you guys want to order a set. Or if you guys want more information, I also have a video install link in the description. Or you can always message me on Instagram, 0planet_, if you have any questions on the harnesses I sell for plug and play fog lights or the mirrors to automatically fold in and the windows to go up. But other than that, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, guys, hit that subscribe button. I'm also going to be doing a giveaway since I hit 10,000 subscribers. Stay tuned for that. And right now I'm actually filming the carbon fiber wing video. I'm getting some shots for that. But the next video before the carbon fiber wing, it's going to be top 5 things I recommend for getting for this platform for more of a like making it more daily drivable / like safer / just a more practical car that makes the car a lot better. Some of the stuff is like having the door automatically lock when you're driving. I don't know why this car doesn't have it. It's a 2022. Back in the 1980s, some car already had the doors automatically lock. So like stuff like that. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna be filming that in the next couple days. So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. It really does mean a lot. I'm actually thinking about making merch for the channel. I have some test pieces right here, and I still don't know yet if I want to make merch just yet for the channel, but yeah, I really don't have anything else to talk about. So thanks for watching, guys. As always, good vibes. Peace out. See you next time.